One common sorting algorithm is the MergeSort method, which is an n-log-n algorithm for sorting a list of objects. So to begin a MergeSort, what you do is you start by dividing the array into two distinct subarrays. So the first array is going to consist of the first half of the elements, and the second half of the array is going to be other ones. So we start by just focusing on the first one. Because the first one is still 4, we're going to split it again until it's just the 4 and the 9 as a subarray, and then the 2 and the 6 as another. So then we go on to focus on the first one. So the 4 and the 9 can then be split into two individuals, and once we've reached the spot where we have subarrays of length 1, we can begin to do the comparisons. So because 4 and 9 are already in the correct order, we know that they don't need to be moved. Be placed back up here. We then reach the 6 and the 2, however, who do need to be switched. So splitting them into the individuals, we can then merge them and flip them here. So now comes the problem of merging back the array consisting of 4 and 9 and the array consisting of 2 and 6. To do this, you compare the first element of each array to construct a new array. So because 2 is less than 4, we know to take the second element. Because 4 and 6 are now the first elements of each array, we take 4 because it is less than 6. Then we're able to take 6 because it is less than the first element in the other array, which is 9. And finally, we can complete this subarray by placing the 9 at the end. Now we move on to the second half, which we left earlier. So we split that with the same method into two subarrays, the 7 and the 8. Now with the 7 and the 8, we split it into two individuals. Because they're individual now, we can do comparison, and the 7 and the 8 switch. Now over here, we have the 5 and the 3, which are split into individual, and those switch. Then we can do the same process as before, comparing the first element of each subarray. The 3 comes before 7, so we know to place that first. The 5 also comes before 7, so that comes after. And then we can just place the 7 and the 8. Now to complete the sort, we have to merge these final two subarrays. With the same method we did with the arrays of length 2, we just compare the first elements of each array. So I will quickly do that now. Ta-da! It's been sorted.